Welcome to Four High Garage. What am I doing here? I don't know. Probably mostly just to document what I'm doing. Partly because as I get older, I forget how to do crap. I can go back and watch this stuff. Will it make money? No. No, I don't think so. Probably not. If it does, it's cool. It'll probably just fund these projects. I have a full-time job. I love my full-time job. I won't be leaving that. So it's not going to be something I can produce content on a weekly basis. So you might as well subscribe because you won't know whether or not I posted anything unless you subscribe. The cowbell thing, everybody on YouTube wants more cowbells. I don't care. I don't care one way or the other. So the videos that are coming out, I filmed over the last year, getting this, let me turn it around here, getting this 1979 full-size Jeep Cherokee up and running. Everything from axle work on up to simple motor work, some wiring, things like that. Stuff that I filmed a year ago or over the course of a year and was filmed primarily just how-to-ish kind of video / documentary. I don't know. I didn't know what I was doing. I had a little camera. Anyway, I've been working on editing that stuff, and it's crap, but it is what it is. Hopefully, it'll help some people. It'll certainly help me as I forget how to do this stuff and I go back and watch it. Future content as I go forward, I'm open to whatever suggestion. I'll probably put some videos of, the travels me and the family do or friends and whatnot do. I'm open to suggestions. If you have anything that you want me to kind of film or interested in, just, work your magic on the keyboard and let me know. That's pretty much it. What I have currently in my fleet that I can shoot video of is obviously the 79 Cherokee, which my daughters have named Colonel Mustard. So, and then in the background, you'll see what I've had I've had this XJ for about 5 years, slowly building it up. It's been dubbed the Tex J, and it's built. None of my stuff is built for rock crawling. That's why I started a channel called 4 High, because I do most of my driving in 4 High, and it's mostly trail driving, exploration, camping, that kind of stuff. I hate to use the word overland because I feel like it's now been way overused. Wife's Toyota, probably won't say that on the channel. One last thing. In the backyard is 1989 Fox Body Mustang with just a bored out 302. It's actually a Dart Block 306 that I bought way back in the day. And it has been sitting here for as long as I own that XJ. As you can see, we're in the fall season. And I have done my best to seal it good. And my friends are expecting a tree to grow through it. And so, yeah, I probably should have covered up that cowl. All right, I got a winter project. Anyway, obviously that's not the brush guard. That's the brush guard that came off of the 79 Cherokee. The unique thing that I've done to this was originally it was just a fun car to drive around. It was a daily driver at one point in my life. But I wanted to make it a track car, not a drag car, but a road course car. And that was my intention of that was way back when the Circuit of Americas was opening up. I live in the Austin, Texas area, so I really wanted to do a track day and race it out there. Still kind of do. And so it's got a 2003 Cobra independent rear suspension. It's just welded in. All the points are welded in, so it's mounted, but it's not been tuned or anything like that. And I still have the front yet to front part to. The whole thing needs to be gone through. I mean, from the ground up. Okay, so that's where I am with the fleet of stuff that I've got, what I could possibly do on this channel. I know some of you might be really interested in me wrenching on this. I'm kind of interested again on this, but this is going to take a lot of money, and that I don't have. I can tinker on the two Jeeps with a little bit of money here and there. So I don't know. This might be something that happens down the road when, I either win the lottery or if this channel takes off enough that it actually generates some income, I can put that income into something like this. But until then, let me know what you think. If I'm crazy, wasting my time, I don't know. Maybe it's just the stir crazy COVIDness that we all have, that I'm like, I got to do something. So, but that's about it. Subscribe to the channel and watch the upcoming videos. Watch the upcoming videos at your own risk, because they might put you to sleep. Sorry about that. Thanks for watching.